Most people get this wrong. They assume any dropshipping platform will integrate perfectly with Etsy, but the reality is more nuanced. Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you to suppliers in the US and EU, while Etsy is primarily a marketplace for handmade, vintage, and unique products. Here's my experience using them together. Spocket lets you import products directly into your store, sync inventory, and automate order fulfillment. When connecting with Etsy, this can work, but there are limitations. Etsy emphasizes handmade or custom items, so generic dropshipping products may not always fit their policies. You'll need to carefully select products to avoid policy issues. The benefits are clear. Using Spocket with Etsy can expand your product catalog with faster shipping times than AliExpress, especially for US and EU suppliers. Orders are easier to manage, and Spocket handles supplier communication. The downsides? Etsy fees can eat into your margins, including listing fees, transaction fees, and payment processing fees. Additionally, you need to ensure that your products comply with Etsy's rules, which can be tricky for automated dropshipping. In conclusion, the surprising truth is that while it's possible to use Spocket with Etsy, it's not a perfect fit for every seller. If you curate products carefully and follow Etsy's guidelines, it can work well. Otherwise, you may face limitations on what you can sell. Subscribe for more honest dropshipping insights and tips to help you scale your online store safely.